Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made these jerk chicken fritters. Stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So I'm using 2 chicken breasts. Now what I'm doing is I'm just slicing them thinly. You want to make sure you slice your chicken thinly to just ensure that they're cooked properly when added. Now after I've sliced and cleaned my chicken, I'm just going to go ahead and use 1 teaspoon of Maggi chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Badia with Sazon, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of my Walker's Wood mild jerk seasoning. Now once you've done this, just set it aside for a bit. Now these are the ground seasonings that I'm going to use in my flour mix. Now to 2 cups of flour, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm just going to give that a good mix. Then I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of water, cold water. Give that a good mix. Make sure that all the flour has been mixed out. Now once you've mixed out your flour, just go ahead and add all those ground seasoning, and again just give that a good mix. One tip is make sure you've separated your onions before adding them. Once you've done this, just go ahead, add your chicken, and again give that a good mix. Now I didn't like the consistency of this, so I went in and I added about another 3 tablespoons of flour. Now guys, work with what you can see. If your mix is too runny, add a little bit more flour just to balance it. Now if it's too solid, add a bit more water just to thin it out a bit. Now once my oil is hot, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my fritted mix in. Now what I do is once I put the mix in, I kind of just drag the spoon along a little bit just to thin out the mix, because I don't like when fritters are too thick. I find them harder to cook that way, so as thin as I can lay them, that's how I do mine. Now I've fried these for roughly 8 minutes, then I turn them over for about another 5 to 6 minutes. Now you want to make sure that your heat is on a medium heat. Now for the sauce, to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, I'm going to go ahead and add in about 1/3 of a teaspoon of Scotch bonnet sauce. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of barbecue sauce, and I'm also gonna add 2 teaspoons of honey. Now guys, in anything that you do, try and taste it. With the flour mix, I kind of did a little dip and taste thing, you know, if it needed more salt, if I've added more salt. And with the same thing with the sauce, you just taste it and try to balance the flavor according to your taste bud. Now there you have it, guys. I'm just going to plate up my fritters, add a few Scotch bonnet peppers and some spring onions, you know, that's how your girl likes it. And there you have it, guys, my jerk chicken fritters. Now be sure to give this a try. Might sound a little bit strange, but trust me, they came out absolutely delicious. My kids loved it and I was like, not bad, Shellz. Not bad. Just gonna break one open just to show you what it is inside, what it looks like inside. And as you can see, perfectly cooked chicken is cooked, and you know, I'm about to get down and dirty. Now look at that. Can't get more than that, guys. Please give this recipe a try and let me know how it was for you. Now don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. Look at that. Take a bite. Come on, open your mouth. Open your mouth. You don't want it? All right, I'll have it. Remember, aim high, work hard, but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye.